Oh yes, look at you laying there, King Ghost. Well, I've got something for your nightmares. Glitches, red rings, red screens. And there's nothing you can do to fix it. There's nothing that can fix it.
We can't let that happen.
Alright, so after waking up from that nightmare, I decided it was time to check out a tool that could actually save the day. The Stereo Bit Precision Screwdriver Set. You know, for those moments when your console actually dies and you don't want to throw it out the window. This kit's got 142 pieces with 120 magnetic bits. It's made for all kinds of tech repair, whether it's your phone, laptop, or gaming console. The case is solid with everything laid out neatly. No chaos here. It's compact and everything is labeled. Super handy, and these magnetic bits, man, they grip tight. Not just for regular repairs, but the occasional fix the console on the panic moment. I know we've all been there. I personally throw this thing in my backpack when I'm going to FGC tournaments, and it's great because I've got a tiny little toolkit. Wait a minute. I don't have a tiny little toolkit for the ladies out there watching, but what I'm saying is I've got the tool to do the job right there with me. At the end of the day, the Stereo Bit Precision Screwdriver Set is hands down the best budget repair kit I've come across. Whether you're a gamer who wants to fix your console or just someone looking to do basic tech repairs, this kit's got you covered. It's durable, well priced, and it's complete. I don't want to wake up to another nightmare where my tech is down, so I definitely be keeping this kit around. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do all the YouTube stuff. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to check me out on Twitch, I do gameplay, but also questions and answers and all kinds of interesting stuff.